That is the skywalk. Wow. Skywalk by trail. Giant green canopy is fresh, yeah. Forest exploration part, giant tree. Enter. World, let's experience the skywalk here in XITOU, Kaohsiung, guys. It's located in Kaohsiung. Look at that. Oh, there. It's a skywalk. So let's experience. It's very nice up here. Look at that. There. See? And there. And then there. Here. Very nice ride. This is really nice. It's up. You can see down. There. There is down. And here on the other side. It's the giant trees, the big trees are here. It's one of the top tourist destinations here in XITOU. A must see, a must go. It's really very nice experience. Once in a lifetime. Maybe we cannot go back here. So let's savor. Wow. Here and here it is located in XITOU, guys, in the northern part of Taiwan. Ooh, it's moving. Oh, it's really moving. Bit scared. Oh my gosh. Can. Oh. Here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching on my travel vlog. This Chinese New Year. Oh, this is nice, very nice. This is what you can see, guys, if you take the skywalk here in XITOU trail. Escape sling here. It's like this. Down is like that. There's down. And here. And then here. Giant trees are here. Very nice. It's really, really nice. If you're scared with heights, just look up. So, no more problem. Here we go. Wow. It's moving. It's really... It's really moving. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's once in a lifetime experience, you know, so take it. It's not, it's just a bit scary, but Worth it. Yeah. Let's go more. Down. Look down. People are down walking. This is SKYWALK. It's very nice. Okay. Yes, we're on top. See that down, and it's moving, and it's so nice. Once in a lifetime experience. Very, very nice. This one. Ew. Look at the mountain there. Very nice. Look at that. Look at down. Down. People are walking. What's it? People are walking down. And that's it. Very nice. Oh my gosh. See that? Right? And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do subscribe and ring the bell for more updates on my YouTube channel. This is Meg Buscano. Keep safe, everyone. Have a good day.